The O'Reilly's campground, camp kitchen is really a building about social interaction. It's about bringing people together in this beautiful rainforest in the Lamington National Park. I think the experience of camping generally is a social experience. So for us it was exciting to design a building that really made that process very simple and very easy. The core building design came from just a pretty simple site analysis. It was important to us that the building provided a sense of welcome to the campers and also a sense of anticipation. It was a conscious decision to have the camp kitchen in the middle of the campground. It's somewhere that you walk past regardless of where you're going, so therefore there's always a lot of casual social interaction. And the building has been designed specifically to sit on the ground quite lightly and just hover. This is one of the few campsites in Australia that does actually provide full universal access for people of all abilities. That means that the building sits quite neatly into the ground on the eastern side and part of the fire pit, part of the circulation. And then it projects out from there and sits above the ground on that western side. The dominant roof form, the big flyover roof, is almost just like a giant tarpaulin. It opens up to the north and allows all that beautiful winter sun in while keeping that summer sun out. It extends well past the building on all sides so that when bad weather does start to close in, people didn't need to run to their tents. They can actually enjoy being part of that landscape and what the rainforest is like in the middle of a serious rain event. The main roof form does close down to the west, and that was a specific decision that we made to frame that western view. It's quite obvious sometimes to open a building to a view. We wanted to make a picture out of the mountains. O'Reilly's is a unique little development site in that it's only an hour and a half out of the Gold Coast, but we're on a very steep mountainous road. Getting both trades and materials up here was always going to present a challenge. The buildings were specifically designed to limit the number of trades to the basic trades because it's just so expensive to get them up here, and materials handling is always going to be challenging. I think there's a lot made of sustainability that comes out of mechanical interventions into a building. The core elements of sustainability were three items: the natural light, the sun control, and that natural ventilation. Everyone's attracted to a fire. To have the fire pit in the main communal area right in the middle, it becomes a very social area. There's a sense of control of people's activities. It just means that everybody acts more responsibly. It's a nice looking building, but it's a casual building. You can come up with half a dozen sausages and a couple of beers and meet a few people, hear about the bushwalk that somebody did today that you might then go and do tomorrow. If we can help that by the siting of our building and the practicality and ease of use of our building, then that's going to be a big advantage, and it'll be something that draws people back to this place.